So let's talk about Rust data types. We're going to talk about scalar data types and compound data types in this video. So the scalar data types include, we'll start with integers, I. It can be an I32, a U32. So let's just say 32, that's an integer. You have floats, let's just say F, it's a float. We're going to make this like 2.5, that's a float right there. You're going to have the booleans, let t be equal to true, so that's a boolean right there. And then you're going to have the character data types, which is, let's say C. It's going to be equal to, just say the letter D. This could also be a Chinese character or Japanese character. It could also be an emoji, this char. So these are the basic scalar data types that you have in Rust. So let's start with with the integers and the floats, all mathematical operations, addition, subtraction, and whatever you would need, they are all there. With the integers, you have different types of integers. The I32 is just one. You also have I64, I20, or I128. This just tells you the different sizes of the integers. They can be unsigned. You can have the unsigned and the signed ones too, which just tells you whether I have a negative or a positive in the front or the back. So with the floats and the integers, all the mathematical operations are going to work well with them. I'm not going to go into detail with this. If you go to the Rust Lang book, it has everything listed there. It tells you how much information you can store in each of the different data types. This is important because when you're building a system that has to be performant, you don't want to take up too much space for something that probably just needs a character or two. So you don't want to take off too much space. When you do that, your program is going to be much faster. So that's why it's very important to know all these different data types. So let's talk about the compound data types. Let's do that in the next video. Thank you very much.